I figured if I could help that guy, I would. I tried to make a couple passes with the truck, but the road is just glare ice. There was a lowboy that came up the hill in front of him that spun out too, but somehow made it to the top. I tried so hard to help him, but there's nothing I can do. Even if I had my 1-ton pickup, I wouldn't be able to do anything to help, which sucks, because I really wish I could have. Where's the house that I need to be at? Right here. And it doesn't seem like there's all that much snow here. That's the funny part. Because there's like hardly any snow. We'll see. 750 we got here at. This is the first house I got buried at. Last time it snowed, I buried the truck here pretty damn good. It's hard to line up straight with this stupid retaining wall. I can't waste all day helping that poor guy. Wish I could. If I had my own personal plow truck, I definitely would have continued to try and help him, but I can't. I just don't have the means. I'm not going to break a company truck to try and do it. I mean, I made a couple passes up and down the road, which kind of sort of helped, but it didn't seem like it did a whole lot of good for him. I feel like the snow actually helped him more than it taking it off did. He made it a lot farther before he was making it a lot farther before I got there and started pushing the road. There's no snow on the road, which is the funny part. They all suck, but there's a couple good ones I love. I mean, when I say love, I mean love, 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 love. There's hardly any snow here compared to all our other locations I've been at so far. That's what I mean when I say you gotta go across the road and there's no place to put it. There's a retaining wall on either side of this driveway. So now it's time to shovel steps.